Hello everyone. What a fantastic start to the year for the Indian stock market. Today, the Nifty 50 didn't just cross its previous levels, it closed at fresh all-time high of 26,328, gaining 0.70% in a super strong bullish session. The broader market was full of energy, marking a great beginning for 2026. Now let's look at the top finance stories for today. The first update, the rupee hits a new milestone, but on the weaker side. The Indian rupee slipped past the psychological 90 rupees per dollar mark today. This was driven by strong dollar demand and foreign outflows, which outweighed support from RBI. Weakening domestic activity and trade pressures have made the rupee one of the weaker performers in Asia so far this year. Second update, Adani Enterprises is tapping the bond market. Adani Enterprises plans to launch a 1000 crore rupees public bond issue starting next week, specifically on January 6th. This move is part of the group's strategy to diversify its funding sources and manage debt across its various infrastructure projects. The bonds will offer annual interest rate between 8.60% and 8.90% for the different tenures. Third, a massive production record for Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki had a landmark year in 2025, recording an annual production of 22.55 lakh vehicles. This is a new record for the company and a nearly 10% gain over the previous year, highlighting the strong manufacturing momentum in the Indian auto sector. Finally, manufacturing growth shows some cooling. India's manufacturing PMI for December came in at 55, down from 56.6 in November. While any reading above 50 still means expansion, this is the slowest growth we have seen in 2 years. Factors like softer export demand and competitive pressures led to this slight moderation. That's it for today's updates. If you would also like a daily look at global market events, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.